I developed a unit converter application using Python, seamlessly integrated on top of the Siemens NX platform. The application enables users to perform quick and accurate unit conversions directly within the NX environment, eliminating the need to switch between external tools and improving overall engineering productivity. First, I click the Convert Part Unit button and select the part file that needs to be converted. After selecting the file, I define the required conversion options and click Convert Part Unit to start the conversion process. Once the conversion is complete, I reopen the original part file without saving the previous changes to demonstrate the feature again. This time, I use the same Convert Part Unit option to convert all existing expressions from their current units to the corresponding base units, and I can also perform the reverse conversion from base units back to their original units. This ensures that all expressions in the part are updated consistently while maintaining the intended design values. Click Convert Part Unit, select the part file, configure the required options, and start the conversion. The tool converts all expressions to the selected units. Similarly, it also supports reverse conversion, allowing all expressions to be converted back to their original units with a single click. Thank you for watching. I hope this demonstration gave you a clear overview of the Python-based unit converter application.